Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. And I'd like another mic. Right, sir. So they might want some solo photographs before you call somebody on stage. Yeah.
Thank you, my friends from the media, to come at a very small notice, and especially on a Saturday. I mean, I know it's your holiday, and thank you. And would like to call my director. Our company is very proud to work with Kabir, please.
A big round of applause.
Hi, thank you for being here. This is a very special film. This is actually my first film after I stepped out of Yash Raj and collaborated with Sajid, who I've known for several years. This is an idea that we got from Hussain Zaidi, and at a time when I was thinking of what to do next, Hussain Zaidi came up with this idea of a book that really sort of caught our attention, and we got attracted to it and decided that let's develop a full screenplay on the lines of the book, and that's what Phantom is. It comes from Hussain Zaidi's book Mumbai Avengers, and we're really proud to present the trailer to you, and we'll chat about the film once you see the trailer.
So perfect. So let the way we'll see the trailer and then come back and chat. $50 million से ज़्यादा कमा लिया है. अब ये trailer पर भी इतने normal है. Are you always like this, very cut to cut, very dry, or do you ever get excited about something?
No, I do get very excited,
But you don't seem to show it.
Yeah, I don't think I take any stress in life, so
Right.
maybe that's the reason why I don't jump around.
But on behalf of everyone, we all loved Bajrangi also. A big round of applause for him. We love the film, sir. You made many grown men cry. It's very difficult to do that. Sajid sir, it's bigger and bigger for you. You know, it just doesn't, there's seema nahi hai koi film ki production ke liye, you know, in the size of it. Is that what your motto is always, just to make the best possible and cost no bar, so as to say?
I feel I like working with the best talent this country has to offer, and Kabir is one of it. Very difficult to greenlight films now. After Highway, every interesting story to be told. Don't want to lose an opportunity of telling a story. And thanks to Kabir, I got this opportunity. Thanks to Saif and Katrina to be endorsing it also. Thank you.
And just before I call Saif and Katrina on stage, Kabir, this is back to slam bang, lots of action. It's amazing. Do you enjoy this genre a lot also? Are you somebody, when you were a kid, that liked having guns in your hand and, you know, maybe playing with G.I. Joes or, you know, watching those kind of films?
Yeah, like all boys, I think I did that. But more importantly, I spent a lot of my formative years as a documentary filmmaker in a lot of conflict zones. It's like my wife Minnie always says that people go for holidays, you go to all the hellholes of the world. So I think that backdrop always sort of finds its way in my films. Always get sort of, I get attracted to human stories set against a backdrop of conflict.
And they're all doing very well. They're breaking the bank balances of so many people. And I'd like to call on stage, my God, they're good looking, and I have not seen Katrina for some time, and I have to say she gets more gorgeous every time I see her. So before I start drooling, let me call them on stage, Katrina Kaif and the very dapper Saif Ali Khan. You're looking lovely, and nice to meet you again, sir. And before we start chatting, I think they'd want a little bit of a photo op, so we take a little bit of that. Yeah, just if you could leave the mics behind. Sir, could you jump across here if it's okay?
Please.
So let's start chatting now. I'll जाने वाले ना मैं जाऊंगा ना ये जाएंगे. Okay, let's start chatting first. Did you enjoy the whole process?
Yeah, for sure. I think, yeah, like you said, Tiger was, we did have a lot of action.
Yeah.
But this is a very different kind of action. It's once you get into the story and understand the story, then you understand the context of the action. So it was very different. Here we've shot in Lebanon for the film, which was amazing. I wanted to go back, and now Kabir said that apparently it's not really safe to go back, but
I don't think it was ever very safe, even when you were
we
shooting.
had a great time. I loved it.
I didn't tell them that at that time.
Now, there's this great connection that the both of you have as well also. You know, you both go back to New York as well also. I remember one of your best performances on the big screen. So just, ये जो जोड़ी है आपकी, you know, just a little bit about that. what you like so much about him that you continue to go back to work with him?
He was one of the first people to really allow me to talk a lot, and he would listen quietly. So in New York, I remember I started talking just little bits, and he would be listening like this. And I'm like, wow, this is a man who likes to hear me talk. And then from that point on, he became my favorite person.
Wow, that's very simple then for you to do that. You listen to a lot to Maria, and that's why you sit so quietly.
Maria, Arshad listens to her. I listen to Minnie.
Oh, sorry. Now coming back to Saif sir, we're back to the zone where you're being a special agent. Let's put it this way, and lots of action. This is your zone. When we went back a few years, you had Agent Vinod also. Didn't do as well as the box office, but still, it was a very difficult film to do as well. Did you also enjoy doing this, or you prefer the simpler roles with just a lot of performance oriented?
No, I completely love this kind of movie, and Kabir and I have been meaning to work together for a very long time, and Sajid Bhai also, and I'm happy this worked out this way. It couldn't have been better. I think we have a certain interest in common, a certain subject matter. I think both of us were trying to make the same sort of film. Some of us made it slightly more successfully than the others, so I'm very happy to be working with him because I love that kind of idea, and I feel very secure with Kabir at the helm of affairs.
I think everyone feels very secure with Kabir at the helm of the affairs. We'll open up to the media and just shoot away. Hussain sir, can we actually have you on stage? Sir?
Please, Hussain sir.
As mentioned earlier, the writer of the story.
Yeah, Hussain is where it all began.
We're starting with, wow. Do I not see a single hand up? I'll continue chatting otherwise.
Oh, there is one, is there? So Asha, you're looking for a mic. Hello? Yeah, okay.
On the right side, there's a question, yeah.
हाय ट्रेलर बहुत ही खूबसूरत था काफ़ी मज़ा आया देखकर क्या ये फिल्म ज़ीरो डार्क 30 से भी इंस्पायर्ड है समवेयर
नहीं in the sense Zero Dark 30 is also based on reality. What now in publishing circles is being called faction, which is what Hussain Reddy's book is. It's a factual base that gets तो इसका वो थोड़ा सा अलग है. Zero Dark 30 is on a mission that actually happened. It's actually down to the real detail of what happened. This is a sort of an extension into fiction. What we would want to happen.
You've got that line in the trailer that says you'd wish that this was true. Maybe that's, I think, leading up to that.
एक और सवाल मेरा था
Same side,
जो
yeah.
फिल्म का जो पोस्टर है सेंसर के थोड़े इश्यूज में फंस गया था कुछ बताएंगे इसके बारे में क्या एग्जैक्टली हुआ
I don't think.
I don't think that's I mean, I don't have any idea when I read that story.
और ये पोस्टर बहुत सिमिलर है होम फ्रंट हॉलीवुड फिल्म के पोस्टर से इसके बारे में आप क्या कहेंगे
जी वो तो आज मैंने कहीं पे पढ़ा but I mean we sort of trust the honesty and integrity of our poster designers marching ants, so I haven't really been able to get into that. I'll definitely look at it. I haven't seen what poster you're mentioning.
Also, this film is said to have been featuring original hate speech of Hafiz Saeed. Do you expect any issues with the censors? Hafiz Saeed's original hate speech is being featured in the film, so you think the censors will have issues with that?
The film's already been censored.
And have you had any word with anybody opposing this particular thing yet?
No, not as of now.
Hi Kabir, towards your left, over here. First of all, congratulations for the success of Bajrangi Bhaijaan. Over here. My question to you is, what is the reason behind the Indian flag being used on the poster, on both the characters?
Sometimes you do something where you create an image and then you let it be open to interpretation. I, as a filmmaker, as somebody who creates visuals, don't like articulating and talking about why the reason is. I think it's sort of
One big film is releasing fourth guy is welcome back, then hero, then. So do you think, irrespective of how good the film is, the competition will affect the box office perspective of the film?
As we've got only 52 weeks and there's only unfortunately one Christmas, one Eid. So we need to, and we've got one good holiday, I think so. Raksha Bandhan is going to take Raksha of a day. So let's hope for the best.
Thank you.
Katrina, my question is to you, that we see you doing a lot of action in the film. So how was the preparations and how much were you comfortable doing such stunts?
The action in this film is very different to the kind of action I've done before in Dhoom or maybe even in Tiger, I think,
because it's very integral to what they're doing. Without giving too much away of the story, it's not action to be it's not action for showing off or to be creating larger than life images. It's action which is integral and out of no other choice, I think. So it comes in real situations of kind of life or death, and it's something that everyone in the film who is part of is kind of fighting for something they truly believe in. So there was no rehearsals or such like that, but I think for me the funnest part, which I insisted on doing and I was glad I got to do, was to shoot that gun, the big one.
Okay, was there a point when you told Kabir, okay, I don't want to do this, or you were okay with whatever he said?
Was there a point I said I don't want to do this? I doubt it. Usually I'm the first one to be saying I want to do that and that and that and that. And whatever Saif is doing, I want to do that as well. So no, not. I don't think so.
Yeah, Kabir, to your left. Yeah, hi. So Kabir, you are the filmmaker in the industry who is known for his outstanding work. The most of the movies you have made are based on some very burning issues, and we can say that like for you the filmmaking is like edutainment more than entertainment. What do you believe? Like?
No, it is entertainment. At the end of the day, really means sort of laughing off your seats. I think entertainment is anything that can engage you and pull you into that world for the 2 hours that you're seeing the film. But yes, what you've noticed is that what I try and do, which I mentioned earlier, is because of my backdrop as a documentary filmmaker, I always try and put a real context to my films. So
The Beirut action sequences are very rough anyway, I'm joking. Look, obviously you have to do a variety of roles, and I was very excited. I love this kind of movie. And like I said before, to get a chance to work with Kabir, Sajid as producer, I think has given me a dream situation with, one of the most beautiful and biggest stars in Bollywood as a co-star, in Katrina, one of the best directors. A huge canvas of a movie. I mean, I've loved this kind of idea. Even we tried to make a film, not exactly like this, but in a similar kind of world. Kabir and I, in fact, met when he was making Ek Tha Tiger, and we were making Agent Vinod just to compare notes on whether we're making a similar film or not. And I think ever since then, I was hoping I'd get a chance to work with him, and I'm very happy it worked out like that. And I think as an actor, I would love to be able to play a variety of roles, not just, yes, definitely something city-based and something that suits me, but also something different like this.
Meanwhile, Katrina, after Ek Tha Tiger, you are again working in a movie which is action-packed movie. So how comfortable it? Yeah.
He's on the extreme left.
Yeah, left. Yeah. So after Ek Tha Tiger, you are again working in an action-packed movie. So how comfortable is for you to just work in action-packed movies rather than like other actresses of your time? Like?
So I asked this question, she asked this question, and the same. So we've got this. This one she answered, buddy. Thanks, sir. Okay, next one.
Started watching Hindi movies more. What do you have to say, just to know the nerves of the audiences?
No, I have always watched some Hindi films, and I certainly saw Bajrangi Bhaijaan, and I thought it was an amazing movie. I don't watch every film. I think I watch the big ones. I think I watched it because
For me.
Well, I mean, it's the same team. Honestly, I mean, Salman called and said, "Come and see this movie," and I messaged him back saying, "I'm coming because I love him very much and I want to see the film." Also, it's the same team, and also it's Kareena, so a mix of everything.
कटरीना आपने देखी बजरंगी भाईजान? Here, कटरीना. कटरीना आपने देखी बजरंगी भाईजान? Center, here. Did you watch the movie Bajrangi Bhaijaan? Did you see?
Yes, I think she got the question.
No, I was trying to look for you. I have to see who I'm talking to. No, I didn't see it yet, but I'm definitely going to see it between today and tomorrow. Saif is saying I'm the only person in the country who has not seen it yet. But I saw lots of bits and portions during the making of it. Kabir would show me every now and then some song he'd shot or something, and then he'd show me the little girl in the movie and say that she looks like you. So I saw lots of bits and pieces along the way, but the whole movie I'll see probably tomorrow.
Kabir, एक question है आपको.
Just one second. This gentleman right here on the left, second row.
No, actually, I told him not to because I just feel that there are certain differences between the screenplay and the book, and also I didn't want them to get in some sense form a different opinion by reading the book, and I wanted them to do certain things in the film, which if they'd already read the book, then might have led to some confusion. So actually, no, we haven't. हाँ, आई थिंक अगर कोई स्टोरी एक्साइटिंग लगी तो जरूर करूंगा, लेकिन हमेशा मेरी फिल्म में एक बैकड्रॉप रियल रहेगा. वो जरूरी नहीं है कि इंडिया पाकिस्तान रहे या न्यूयॉर्क की तरह टेररिज्म रहे. वो हो सकता है कुछ और भी हो सकता है. अगर हमारी जो दुनिया है थोड़ी और खूबसूरत हो जाए तो आई थिंक थोड़े और जेंटल बैकड्रॉप्स भी आ जाएंगे. लेकिन हाँ, हमेशा कोशिश ये रहेगी कि एक रियल कॉन्टेक्स्ट रहे, सोशल या पॉलिटिकल.
Sir, but are you a very violent man in real life?
No.
The only time I've seen Kabir get violent was in road rage. When the driver cut us. That's the only time. Otherwise,
So
he's a very
this is not a
peace-loving.
mask.
No,
This is
he's
not
a
a
very peace-loving person. His expression is like this all the time. I've worked with him now in 3 films. It's always like that, except once. I saw him change his expression once. That's a secret story.
This gentleman right next to you also is the wittiest, funniest, and he take your pants off without you knowing it.
I hope not.
With jokes. With his wit. Let's put it this way. So, yeah, and he's done those brilliant kind of films. So when you chat with him, and when you work with him, what's Saif Ali Khan really like? Is he like that all the time?
He's very like you described him. He's a perfect gentleman. He's very smart. He's got lots of information. He actually also is a very good listener, which is also why I think we got along. I found another person to listen. And he has very interesting information on things outside of just the film industry and just our film. So he's a great person to talk to, and he's very interested in his work. So a lot of times, actually, we were just discussing what we saw the film about and what our take on the film.
And how is she on the set? How does she discuss a lot of things? Does she want to know about what's happening in the gossip world, or films, books?
No, I saw her taking photographs of Beirut on her iPhone and showing, doing all kinds of creative things in between shots with Photoshop and things like this. I've known Katrina for a while, and I've watched her from being, a relatively new actor in Race to becoming one of the biggest stars in the country and working really hard and being an amazing personality on screen. So it's always nice to spend time with her. I think a lot of actors I've worked with, you know, are a little concerned about the film that they're doing, and they're a little worried about that. And that's, I suppose, normal. But she's a relaxed girl and someone who I've really enjoyed talking to and spending time with and working with. And I think we had an easy equation, which is...
Katrina, Katrina.
Saif, एक क्वेश्चन आपसे
Country.
Straight down, that lady right there, behind the photographer.
Yeah. You had been on the sets of Bajrangi Bhaijaan during the shoot of Aaj Ki Party. So was there any specific reason behind it?
Yes, Kabir will explain to you the reason.
कबीर सर आपके सामने
1 second, she has... This question has to be answered.
She would like to know why I was on the sets of Aaj Ki
She
Party.
did come to meet me. We had to discuss, in fact, things about Phantom. So since I was shooting there and I was busy there, we met in Yashraj and was speaking about Phantom.
सैफ पीछे सैफ आपसे एक क्वेश्चन है आपकी एजेंट विनोद को पाकिस्तान में बैन कर दिया गया था एक बार फिर आप एंटी पाकिस्तान बात कर रहे हैं आपके बहुत सारे रिलेटिव पाकिस्तान में हैं तो
एक मिनट मेरे क्वेश्चन में मैं समझता था क्यों बोला आपने एंटी पाकिस्तान
आप पाकिस्तान एंटी इन द सेंस कि आप टेररिज्म की बात कर रहे हैं
तो आप समझती हैं टेररिज्म रिप्रेजेंट्स पाकिस्तान
नो पाकिस्तान की हमने बात की है कि इसमें जितने भी टेररिस्ट दिखा वो पाकिस्तानी चाहे हाफिज सईद को हम
नहीं तो मैं आपसे वही सवाल पूछ रहा हूँ तो आपके जहन में टेररिस्ट इज इक्वल टू पाकिस्तान या पाकिस्तान में और भी बाशिंदे रहते हैं
नहीं मेरा कहने का मतलब
आप हैं कहाँ आप
इधर की तरफ बैक साइड इसमें पाकिस्तान की ही बात हुई है तो सैफ हमेशा पाकिस्तान पे फिल्में कर रहे हैं तो इनके रिलेटिव्स का क्या रिएक्शन होता है मैं ये जानना चाह रही हूँ
No, I'm telling you, any of my relatives, I spoke to actually one relative recently and he said that he doesn't like films that are bashing Pakistan, you know. And I don't think any of us like films that are bashing Pakistan. So we are not trying to do that. This film is, as the trailer says,
this film is about this mindset. Unfortunately, we have a mindset that all the terrorists and the certain sections of the establishment of Pakistan who are definitely doing things which are anti-India, they represent Pakistan. They don't represent Pakistan. That's the whole point of this film. That's the whole point of Bajrangi Bhaijaan. I am the director of Bajrangi Bhaijaan. I am the director of Phantom. Both these films come from the same ideology, which is that there should be people-to-people friendship. People-to-people friendship can never happen as long as these elements exist in either countries. As long as these extremist elements exist, there can never be people-to-people friendship, and these elements have to be eliminated for the countries to get along peacefully. Who are the terrorist elements in India? Didn't say that. Did I say that? I didn't say terrorist elements. See, that's the problem. Your mindset is too strong. I said extremist elements. Sorry? Name who? But I didn't even say that.
Just a minute. I think there was a miscommunication there. No.
And I said extremist elements.
1 second. I think
First.
Just a minute, sir.
First, 1 sec. Listen. First, do not talk to me like that. I do not appreciate it. Okay? Come over here. Let me see your face and have a normal conversation. Do not get into this.
Sir, I think let's not. Just a minute, sir.
Why are you screaming like that?
Just a minute.
Why are you screaming like that?
1 second. Sir, can you please name yourself?
Calm down.
Right.
Pani pijiye.
So, 1 second. I'd like to just defend you on one part. 1 second, sir. I don't know what your idea is on this. Just a minute. Calm down. Please calm down. The censor board chief of Pakistan said that this is the one film that has actually helped between two relations. So if they don't have a problem, I don't seem to understand why you seem to have a problem.
Hello. He said extremist. Rajiv ji.
Yes.
Rajiv ji, then
Are you trying to say that no extremist
you
elements
can
are...
discuss this afterwards, I think.
1 second.
Let's finish the PC.
Yeah.
If you make this discourse a little more civil, then I'm ready to talk to you. If you're going to be screaming and shouting and frothing at the mouth, I'm not going to get into this discussion. Please,
On a lighter note, can I ask Saif?
Who's Wikipedia page. Why are you saying that I am not created in Wikipedia page? Do you know how Wikipedia works? Anybody can post an article on Wikipedia. How do
Anybody can edit an article on Wikipedia, so just...
How do I know? I have not posted anything on Wikipedia. According to Wikipedia, I have one more film which the name I don't even remember.
You know what, sir, we'll take this a little later. Let's move on to another question right now. Let's take this on a private note later, sir. Yeah.
I have a very nice question.
Yeah,
Rajiv,
we'll actually
please.
take one last question which will be slightly happier.
Saif, on a lighter note,
Yeah.
since Katrina was discussing profession films and all with you, was she not discussing personal things? If yes, then what?
Yes, she was, but I'm not going to tell you.
Hi, I have a question for Saif.
Yes.
Right here. Saif, of course, 2014 was not a great year for you as far as the ticket window is concerned. Of course, you come back with action. Was it like a conscious decision to, or this was just a coincidence that you chose to be a part of this film? Your film being an action film in 2015.
I mean, obviously the film we were working on about a year and a half ago. I mean, so it's very difficult to predict where you're going to be at that time. I think the idea is just to, if you're lucky to work with good people, to do the best that one can. So I don't fully understand your question actually. What do you mean?
I was
Like,
saying,
was it a conscious decision to work in the movie?
right, considering
Yes, I
it
was
was not
awake when I
great.
signed it.
Hello?
All right, we're gonna just actually wrap it up here and take a few photographs. No, we're just gonna wrap it up. I think we had quite a few questions rather than going on a zone. I don't know why people come with personal agendas. Let's just have a nice photo op. It'll be nice if we could just have that. Yeah.
Katrina. Hi,
Yeah.
Katrina.
Okay, one last. Yeah.
Katrina, we know that you don't like to talk about your personal life, but there are rumors arrive that you got engaged with Ranbir. So how true is that?
I'm glad you asked that because I'm definitely not engaged, and I know you guys are so sweet, and you seem to want me to get married, but there's no such plans now. So please bear with me being not married for some more time.
Katrina,
Wonderful, that's
note, Katrina, in an interview also said that she gets along really well with you, and she really praised you and said you're a really great human being, and also you make a great couple with Ranbir, and she thinks you are good for him. Any comments on that?
My brain's not working. On the topic of Kareena, she's really, she's one of, not few, I mean, I get along with most people, but she's one of the people who I do have a very special connection with. I think she's beautiful, she's talented, but she's also very easygoing, and she's very straight up, she's very honest, she says what she feels, and she's a wonderful person, and I wish I get to see her more often. We were supposed to come to your house. What happened?
Yeah, you must. And I think Katrina's one of the most lovely girls I've worked with.
Everyone's
and I'd
lovely.
be
We're
lucky
all
to have
happy.
her as a, girlfriend, fiance, or in the future something more.
And we're not taking the bait anymore.
Katrina,
We'll just
can we
come
have a
for some
comment on that
photographs.
part, please?
All right, guys, we'll switch on that,
No?
please. Yeah, let's have some photographs. That would be nice if we could just leave the mics on the chair.